So on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make yogurt from afresh using powdered milk and water from your home. From the comfort of your kitchen, you can make a huge amount of yogurt from home. So if you want to learn that, please continue watching this video. So first, I'm just going to dissolve a cup of powder milk into a liter of water. A cup of powder milk, which is equivalent to 250 grams of powdered milk. You can use peak milk or any brand that you have. I dissolved it into 1 liter of water and I bring it to the boil. You will know that the water is boiled when you see this stuff on top of the milk. I don't know what it is called. The actual name it is called. Yes, you just scoop it out and throw it away. Then you allow your milk to cool down, not to be cold, but to come to the temperature between 40 to 50 degree. That is not too hot and it's not also very warm. So when you know that the temperature is very good, then you will mix it with a yogurt starter. Like I did here, I poured the yogurt starter into a small this small plate and I mix it with the milk and I poured it together. All you just need to do is this, and I'm using the one dose of the yogurt starter for this 1 liter of milk that I am missing, that I already boiled. Okay, every list of ingredients that I used will be in the description section. Okay, I'm going to be putting them in the caption, or you can go to the comment section or anywhere, but I'm just going to be placing it somewhere around this video. So after I mix the yogurt starter with the milk, I mixed them together and I poured it into my bowl and I close it into this tight cover. I later also used a tight nylon to wrap it up and put it inside my oven to allow it to ferment for throughout the night. So this fermented for like 10 to 11 hours because I was not home. So it fermented a lot, and you see the outcome of this after 10 to 11 hours, and it is so creamy, and I tasted it. It was really very nice. This was the taste of that yogurt that is not without sugar added to it. As in, it came out so creamy and nice. I actually used this for breakfast that day, but this is the outcome of my yogurt. If you want it to be thicker, then you can make it to stay more than this, or you can make it, when you are making it, you reduce the quantity of the liquid that you're going to be using. That is for the normal yogurt, and hope you're enjoying what you're watching. And for us to obtain Greek yogurt, so I later transferred a quantity from that normal yogurt that I made into this little piece of cloth I was having at home, because I was not having the normal sieve that is used for this. So I used a piece of chiffon that I was having, and I poured in the yogurt, the yogurt that I already prepared. This is to be able to have a Greek yogurt. The difference between Greek yogurt and the normal yogurt is straining of the liquid out from the main yogurt, which is what I'm going to be doing. And I'm just going to be closing it into this tight container, and this will enable the liquid from the yogurt to drop out, to just come out from that yogurt. Then that is what gives you your Greek yogurt. So this is it, guys. You can see the liquid is already dropping, and I left this for a few hours. I went out that day. I was kind of very busy, so I just had to leave it inside my microwave there, and after some hours, like 4 or 5 hours, and that was what we got. And our Greek yogurt is ready, guys. It's so nice. It's creamy. You can make this in batch quantity as you want. In our house, I am the only one that eats Greek yogurt, as in like this. My kids prefer the yogurt when it is normal, so I just made some avocado smoothie for them with the yogurt. You can make any flavor of your choice, banana, strawberry, depending on the flavor you want or the ones you want to make for your family. Do try this out and let me know. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So see you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.